check out our newest feature release video. And this one's all about adding followers inside of an opportunity. So if you're curious what this new feature is all about, I'm going to let you know. Introducing the powerful followers feature, enabling you to add up to 10 followers to any opportunity, streamlining collaboration, making it ideal for sales teams, project management, or any scenario where multiple individuals need to track and contribute to a deal's progress. Why this matters and how it's going to help your business. This is going to allow you to facilitate teamwork by allowing up to 10 individuals to follow and contribute to the progress of a specific opportunity. This is also ideal for project managers overseeing multifaceted projects. It's also going to allow you to envision future automation possibilities to streamline this process. So let me show you exactly where to start. So to initially get this set up, I want you to go ahead and access the settings area of your CRM. And once you're in that settings area, I'm going to show you exactly how to locate your team management. So first, within that settings area, you're going to go to My Staff. From there, you're going to click on Team Management. And then you're going to do one of two things. You're either going to click the plus add employee button, or you're going to edit one of your current employees. Now, once you're in there, you can open up this panel that is going to allow you to see exactly their user permissions. Now, if you would like to have those user permissions limit what your team members can see to only the assigned data that is specifically assigned to them, meaning that they can't just go all over and pop into different profiles and check things out. They can only see that assigned data. Then you're going to want to toggle only assigned data on. Generally, it is toggled off until you toggle it on as a default. Now, let's go ahead and talk about how to add those followers into those opportunities. So you're going to go ahead into your opportunities area, click on opportunities in the left-hand menu of your main navigation of your CRM, and then you're going to look under the specific opportunity pipeline that you would like to adjust, and you're going to go into that opportunity card. And when you open up, you are now going to see the followers area. And now you can add up to 10 followers so that no matter if you're using the assigned data only feature to limit what your team members see and have access to, now they will be able to track and be a part of this opportunity moving forward. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.